Lona's learning adventure. Hi friends, it's Luna. Today we're exploring a magical zoo where the animals love to teach us fun facts. Are you ready? Whoa, the lion's roar is so loud. Did you know lions can be heard from up 5 miles away? What do you think he's saying? Look, it's a talking parrot. Parrots can remember words and copy sounds. Can you say hello like the parrot? Splash! Elephants love water. Their trunks help them drink, grab food, and even say hello to friends. Let's wave like an elephant. It's game time! Listen closely. What animal makes this sound? Thanks for exploring the zoo with me today. What animal was your favorite? Subscribe for more fun adventures.